So you can see this is the HAP overlay analysis program version 4.9. Okay, and this software will be created by Carrier. Let us open this and simply cancel all this. Okay, so this is your HAP software. So before I start creating the weather properties in the HAP, I would like to request you guys, please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon as well, so that you can get the notification of my upcoming videos. Also please like, share, and please like my video and share my video with your friends. Okay, so as you can see, this is the HAP software. So you can see this is a HAP software. So first of all, what to do, simply open this HAP software and go to the project, click on new. Okay, so in the new, you can see here there are two tabs, general and project. So in the project, you have to select this ventilation standard, latest one. Okay, and energy standard is 90.1 2010, LED 2009, and here is your currency. Okay, click OK, and then this is your in this list view, tree view, there is weather option. So simply single click on weather, and in the list view you can see double click on this weather properties. Okay, so this dialog box will open, and now in the dialog box you can see here there are four tabs. First one is design parameters, second one is design temperature, then design solar and simulation. So you can select only this portion. Okay, so this portion you need to select only. So first of all, you have to select the region. For example, I am going to select the Middle East. Okay, or I am going to select the Asia Pacific, and then location is I am going to select India, and then city I am going to select here Bangalore. Okay, so this software is automatically calculate the latitude, longitude, elevation, summer design, dry bulb temperature, wet bulb temperature, summer daily range, and winter dry bulb and wet bulb. If there is any changes in this, you can simply update here. So for example, I am going to update this summer dry bulb temperature for Bangalore is 95, for example. Okay, and then wet bulb temperature is, you can find this data from this ASRE software, psychometric software. You can see here, it's climatic data software. Okay, so in the climatic data software, you have to select here, open this climatic data software. Okay, and select the cooling, and here is Asia Pacific. You have to select Asia Pacific or India. Okay, region is India and all region, and here is your Bengaluru. I'm going to select Bangalore, and you can find here dry bulb temperature is 94 and wet bulb temperature is 67. Okay, so simply update here 94 and 67 degree Fahrenheit. Okay, and summer daily range you can see here mean daily range is 19 degree Fahrenheit. So here 19 degree Fahrenheit, and this data is for the winter. So select the heating as well. Okay, now this time you have to select the heating and unselect the cooling. Okay, then you can see here dry bulb is 59 degree Fahrenheit and wet bulb is 49. Okay, so already here software is selected. Okay, and this data is you keep as it is and do not change anything. After once you enter this, update this data, this design temperature, design solar and simulation will be updated automatically by software. and simply click OK. Okay, so this is how we're creating the weather properties in the app. So I think you guys learned something from this video. So please like, share and comment my video, and thanks for watching my video. Thank you. Bye bye.